Hello everyone, it's me your girl Queen Beauty. I welcome everyone back to my channel. Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas to you all. I appreciate every one of you, my old, my new subscribers. I say may God bless you all. So in today's video, I will be doing Christmas transformation, which is green and gold. So guys, don't be in a hurry. Please watch in the end so that you see the outcome of the makeup. Okay guys, I will see you later. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. Thanks for watching. I say may God bless you all for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe because I will be bringing you all different type of makeup. And also guys, let me know the type of makeup you will want me to do in my next one. Thank you everyone, and I will see you all later. Thank you all. Bye. Please don't be in a hurry. Watch in the end. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you. So guys, this is the finished look. I appreciate everyone for watching. I appreciate you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one, and I hope you like it. Please, if you like my video, share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments in the comment section below, guys. I really appreciate you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance to you all, guys. Bye everyone, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Thank you guys. Bye. I appreciate you all. Bye.